nature. Nature dictates humans to be born with multiple identities, so it is common for one to have different interests, skills, and method in learning. It is as such that raised an important topic and set a goal for Roong Aroon School to actualize the students' self-understanding, as well as for them to each recognize their potential and find a suitable learning method, plus recognizing their limits and find a way to overcome such obstacle. At Roong Aroon School, there is a real sense of communities, which become a collective of different individuals working in unison. This community teaches us to work together, both with our peers and with people from the greater communities, and we gain experience in collaboration with others to overcome problems. Sometimes we succeed, sometimes we fail, through struggle and disagreement. These circumstances prepare students for their integration in greater society, while still retaining their individual interests and characteristics. Because of this recognition of differences, learning styles must be diverse to accommodate all types of learner and bring out the best in them. The search for one's preferential method of learning then become the key to evolve from just a student or message receiver into a professional learner, capable of relating what was learned to real-life practice. Once students enter high school, the learner objective has transformed from mere dreams into his or her objective in life. Therefore, high school must open up areas and opportunities for learners to explore and consolidate their goals. A need to realize core values of everything that was learned is the main purpose of the school existence. Interdisciplinary education at Roong Aroon, in combination with its integration into its contemporaries, result in an integration of what was learned into the life of the learners, clearly recognizing oneself as a part of his or her surroundings. Effect on others is always a part of each consideration before any action is taken. Curriculum and method of learning are intended to occur with real-life environment, both within and outside school environment, through two variation. First, cause to effect, which means learners start studying from the sources of learning material and research various factors as well as the result that may entail, such as the study of ecological communities and traditional fishing local wisdom, the case study of Lam Hin village, Krabi province, Thailand, to search for the contributing factors and their effect on people there and people in other parts of Thailand, and the impact they may have on the people if the coal-fired electricity generating project in Krabi will be established. Second is the effect to its cause, which means learners will investigate the cause and the source behind such cause. For example, the final performance of grade 12, called Yot Nam, we review and remind ourselves at all time along our working process with question, why do we need to produce a drama? How does it function? And how will we go through to meet the goal? These questions make students look back to the true reason for doing a drama performance as their final presentation. This reason may be to meet one's own needs, but surely this isn't enough reason to do it. So it begs even bigger question. What can we do to make such a project have a great values for the students involved and for the others? Roong Aroon's biggest asset is a teacher. Teacher isn't just a provider of knowledge. They also set up topics to get students thinking and realizing their utmost potential. One can say that teachers' duties is to create a suitable learning environment. Most importantly, we see that teacher doesn't necessarily have to know all things. Sometimes students learn from teachers. Sometimes it can be vice versa. And at times, the students and teachers learn together. Teachers, a learning partner, and a model for a lifelong learner who inspires students to continue that journey. More than 15 generations of learners have graduated. Each had his and her own distinctive characteristic. But under all varied shades, we all share the same characteristic, that we are professional learners, with respect for difference among people, which is the evidence of how we have been always treated in Roong Aroon School.